Welcome to Wolfram Industry. I'm Alex Woldrick, and today we're going to deal with the question, which electrode do I need for which application? To select the right electrode, you have to answer three questions. The first is, do I work with alternating current or with direct current? With alternating current, a dome is formed at the tip of the electrode. Alloys containing zirconium form smaller domes and are therefore best suited when the weld seam needs to be as narrow as possible. Second, do I weld manually or automatically? And finally, the selection also depends on whether the electrode has to be listed in EN-ISO. Most of the time, this is not the case. We've made a diagram for you to help you decide. You can download it from the Wolfram Industry homepage. Thank you for your attention. If you want to know more, we've made more videos for you. And if you have any questions, just get in touch with us. Until next time, I'm Alex Woldrick.